Hello everyone, I'm Doreen, who are already living in Sri Lanka almost 10 years. iCanMall, the best shopping apps I have ever used in Sri Lanka. First, as a foreigner, I found this app incredible user-friendly, especially with its language support. Plus, as a working expat, I don't have much time to focus on daily shoppings. It lets me shopping anytime, anywhere, and get everything to my door at a time. It works for me. All willing guarantee excellent quality. Second, this is by far the most efficient and versatile platform I have ever come across. Whether it's from kitchen space to furniture and appliances, it's true one-stop shops which serves a lot of my times while providing outstanding service. iCanMall make your life easy.